Good morning. This is going to be a weird, different kind of video. I was going to get up and do a campfire. Yeah, my hair. I need to do my hair. But I'm on a time crunch. And I really need to spend some time putting some stuff up in the camper. Doing my dishes. Cooking for Sammy. Putting up my laundry. I have a whole lot to do. And have just not been doing it. It's like just move the laundry from the bed to the table, and then in the morning move the laundry from the table to the bed. I've just been playing, I guess. And we are going to go into town today, but I need to dump and get water. Right now I'm cooking Sammy's food. So some of this is going to be fast forwarded. It's boring, but this is the day in the life. And today's video is a day in the life type video. So I'm cooking for Sammy and I need to wash her bowl out. My house is a mess. I'm eating the rest of the cantaloupe. Got just a few more bites with some tahini. Still working on this jerky. I've got quite a bit still left. So I eat a little bit of that in the morning. Some pistachios. Yeah. But I need to spend a little time cleaning house is what I need to do this morning. We're going to go to town about 11 or 12. I need to go pick up some packages. Deborah's going to mail her books because she got those in. So, I don't know what else we'll get into. I guess I should turn this on, huh? But, I just thought I would bring y'all along for this part of the day. I need to clean my refrigerator. Yeah. I need to do some house cleaning, some housework. I'm going to do that. I really wanted a campfire this morning because there's no wind. But I'm trying to be responsible. I finished Sammy's food. I've got the pans washed. I got all the dishes done. I still got to put some of them up. But I've got the pans washed, oiled, heated up, seasoned, I guess you would say. And letting them cool down before I'm putting them up. Whew. Gotta clean my stove. Get ready to roll. So I gotta, this is something I do every day is make water in my Berkey, put it in this jug, and then either I fill it back up if I'm not rolling, but if I'm rolling then I have to secure it. So that's what I'm doing right now. But it's an everyday thing. I didn't get quite a gallon, but I'm going to fill up my water jug too. Fill it up. Drink more water. I tell myself that every day. Drink more water. And I always have to tell myself, because I'll lean it like that, and then I'll pull this away, put the lid on it, and then I fill it up, and guess what I didn't do? Close the valve. Yeah, that happens. Not a lot, but. So to store it, I put it right there. Put a bungee cord around it. And it's done. And I spilt my little coffee thing earlier, so I got a mess. Now, if you're not familiar with RV living and moving and all that, let me bring this in a little closer because that's where the Berkey is. I don't think you can see it because of the refrigerator. But I just put the bungee around it like that and it rides fine there. But you can't have all this stuff sitting out when you're traveling. So this is like a little, this is what I do my dishes in. Then after I do my dishes, this is some almond oil I won this summer. And I just repackaged it because it was in a like a Mylar bag. I thought, I'm going to poke a hole in it. So I need to work myself through this so I can not have to do this. And this, I had this up here at one point. There. Put that away. That drink there. This is that garlic and herb infused olive oil. And I had to take this out of the freezer because I was out of room. Let me see if I can get that back in there now. Oop, 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 oop. Full freezer, full freezer, full freezer. There. I'll put it in a better spot later. I didn't wash my coffee cup. I didn't wash this cutting board. It was... So for next time, I'll leave that right there. Put that in here. And I did a Walmart pickup order. Let me see if this is going to fit. Always. Nope. I did a Walmart pickup order, and this is the olive oil that I usually buy. They did this one, and it won't fit in my little holder back here. So guess where it goes? In the sink. Yep. It's a puzzle every day. Every day it's a puzzle. And this goes back here. That's something that living in a sticks and bricks you don't have to deal with, is putting everything up so it will... Oh, my knife is back there. You just leave it out on your counter as long as you want. But living in an RV, you got to secure everything. Everything, everything. All right. I think I'm almost done with this right here. This I need to throw away. That's another thing. I can't believe how much trash I accumulate in a few days. I think I have like 4 sacks. And I just got here. Packing up a kitchen. Now I need to clean my skillet, so, and then I need to deal with that laundry. And all this. Y'all, you can't really see all that, can you? Alright, let's get to it. Okay, I got the laundry done, got that kind of cleaned up there. I need to work on the bathroom, and oh, still, I sprayed the stove down again and forgot. I sprayed it down and forgot. Forgot to wipe it down. It dried on there. There. Got all that cleaned up. Ready for the next cooking session. And in the meantime, I had to get the Blue 80 out to charge, so that's got to be charging for today while we're driving. I've been wearing this in the mornings because it's kind of chilly, so I'm just going to hang this up in the bathroom. It's a process. Alright, Deborah's signing books.
Signing books and addressing envelopes.
Yeah.
Stuffing books and getting them to the
I'll stuff
mail.
the books.
You'll stuff them?
Yeah, I got this.
All right.
Bookmarks and stickers, and then I'll put them in the envelopes.
All right. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Finn, how many toys do you need on your bed? 3? Okay. You just keep coming in and getting them and taking them out there. And then that one. Oh, you're coming in to get another one? Okay. Mama, she's talking to me.
Were you on film? Were you on film? Are you a happy boy? Yeah, you're a happy boy. You're a happy boy.
Well, we had to go to Filiberto's. Oops. Chilerianos, beans, rice, sour cream. They usually have, guacamole. Is it under there? Oh, it is under there. I was fixing to say. What you got?
Food.
She's just like hungry.
I'm hungry.
You angry? I mean,
No,
angry?
Not hangry, just hungry.
Just hungry.
Uh-huh.
Yum. That looks good.
It is good.
Number 7.
Go ahead, dear.
Little cutie. Little cutie. At the post office, and I run into, I don't even know your name. Mark. And he is dispersed camper man. Yeah, I just want to make sure I got it right.
Awesomeness. Yeah. He was walking by and he's like,
too.
I know you.
He's in a truck camper, so that's why.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
Yeah. So, cool. Great to meet you. Oh, look. He left me stickers. I just now saw those. Those are cool. Oh, I wish I'd have had a sticker on me and I'd have given him one. Thank you, Mark. I love it. Here she comes, Finn. Here she comes. Oh, and that car's going back out.
Oh my gosh, hi Finn.
There's all your long receipt. That didn't take long though.
No, the supervisor came back from lunch.
Oh, cool.
Hi buddy.
Look what I had on my windshield.
Oh, wonderful. beautiful.
Isn't that cool?
I was wishing I'd had some with us.
I know, that's
give
what I
him.
said. I said I didn't have any on me.
Thank you. Are you trying to get this? Are you wanting Mama's ice cream?
You're a silly boy. He says, yes, I want ice cream.
And you too?
Oh, yes.
She says, I know where it is. No, y'all don't get it. I'm sorry.
You need a spoon?
Well, I guess, and I think I'm sitting on it.
Here, I'm sure I have. Oh, that's a fork.
Yeah.
These are from Panda, so.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. I'll open it.
Okay, thanks.
Are you happy?
Smack your mouth.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
We had to drive all the way across town.
We've got all the time in the world.
Yes, we do. Alright. Camp? Is that where we're headed now? Home?
I think so.
Alright. What do you think, Finn?
He says, I think that should be mine.
Yeah. He looks so little laying there.